Avinash Das from Skyy Rider Institution, welcoming you to this video. So here we are having a unique project which is an electric golf cart, and it is enabled with a solar panel or a solar system. So you can charge your vehicle on the go whenever you are driving your vehicle. At the same time, you can charge your vehicle using the solar system. So this is nothing but an electric vehicle which is having the normal motor, normal 48 volt motor, and a 48 volt of battery which is having a 100 ampere hour, and a controller which is having a 48 volt and 50 ampere specification. And with that too, here we are having a solar panel which is installed on the top of the vehicle, and this particular vehicle, or this particular solar panel, will provide the charge to a solar controller or a solar panel controller, and that controller is connected directly to our motor, or you can say directly connected to our battery. So that particular thing, or this particular solar panel system, will provide the power to the controller, and the controller will provide the power to our battery, and that's how you are going to charge your vehicle. And this is the same thing, or this is the same configuration which is used in this particular vehicle, and we are charging our battery on the go, so we don't have to take time or wait for our battery to be charged, and after that we have to drive our vehicle. At the same time, whenever we are driving our vehicle, we are charging our battery and we are good to go. So let's see what we have inside in our vehicle. Come. So as you can see here, these two are our batteries, or you can say the 48 battery which I are talking about, or the 48 volt battery which we are talking about, is these two batteries, and we have separate two other batteries which is connected in series, and we are making them 48 volt using connecting them in series. And inside of here we are having our battery or a motor also, the motor which is driving our vehicle. And in this particular part we are having our solar connector, or you can say the solar controller, another two batteries, and some other wiring arrangement or other wiring harnesses for the whole vehicle's preparation, or you can say whole vehicle's peripheral controls. Okay, so this one is our key. Whenever you are turning the key on, your vehicle is ready to go, and your system will get turned on, and as well as your solar panel will start recharging your battery. Okay, and here we are having our accelerator, then side by side we are having the brake pedal, and side by side we are having the handbrake, and here is our steering which will be used for the direction control. And as for the internal things, I have already shown you the internal particular things, or I have already explained whatever we are having in the inside. So thank you for having this video. Have a good day.